Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Vivo device. Firstly, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner over here and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour, and when you're done, choose repeat. Then pick dates of the week by clicking on the chosen ones and save your changes by tapping on OK. Then you can click on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and save it by tapping on OK. Then choose alarm sound over here and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also though click on add new over here, pick music from your device by clicking on the song that you want to set up and going back. When you're ready, click on this icon over here at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete it, just hold it and tap on this delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!